Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, factors affecting the total body water, among them, the first factor is fat. So, total body water is actually inversely proportional to the body fat. So, it is inversely proportional to the total body fat, proportional to the total body fat content. So this is one thing. That means if the total body water increase, if the body fat is more, then the total body water is less. So water content in the lean body fat body mass is almost equal to 71 to 72 ml per 100 gram of tissue. What is this lean body mass? Lean body mass is actually body mass minus fat. So if you subtract the fat from the body mass, then the mass which you get is lean body mass. The water content in lean body mass is 71 to 72 milliliters per 100 gram of water. So according to that, those people who are fat will have low body water. So total body water is actually found to be less in obese patients and also women. It is less in obese patients and it is also less in women also. So total body water is less in obese patients and women.
thank you and thank you for watching.